carefully all do their little jigs around Stonehenge.
Ah.
They do, don't they? The Druids.
Shall we do a little jig around here?
If you were going to volunteer to jig, you should have done it when you had the vest top on, love.
Sorry, the vest half on.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. 66 pounds. Stop the music, please! Did you hear that as well? Yeah. Did you hear that? Good. But all I can say is I think one of our camera operatives has been drinking fizzy pop. And they could not...
At the exact same time you said stop the music.
They couldn't quite keep that carbon dioxide down. 66 pounds for the... Oh, look at this. 666. Yeah. 66 pounds. 6 in the drop now. Started with 10. With 0.31...